What's up guys, this is a quick video on the GoPro HERO7 Black. So right guys, I've sold my GoPro Hero 6 to buy this, so I'm really looking forward to testing this out. So you can buy this from Amazon for about £350 and it comes with a 12 months warranty. So this is what it looks like in the box, and it says it's got HyperSmooth, which is Gimbal-like stabilization. So again, I'm looking forward to testing that out. So on the box itself, it says it will take pictures at 12 megapixels, does video up to 4K 60 frames per second, and it's waterproof up to 10 meters, and it's got live streaming. So that means you can stream straight to Facebook. So on the other side, it tells you exactly what you get in the box itself. So you get the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the frame for the camera itself, a battery, a thumb screw, a quick release buckle, and you get two GoPro base mounts which are flat and curved, and they come with a sticky 3M pad underneath it. And finally you get a charging and data transfer lead, which is a USB-C. So underneath that it says it's made for iPhones and iPads, but I think you can use it with any phone or tablet really. So on the back of it, it shows you the GoPro app. You can download this from the App Store if you've got an iPhone, or from Google Play for any Android phones. So with this, it's like a remote control, and you can control your camera. You can change any of your settings, and you can do any firmware updates for your camera as well. And you can view all your pictures, you can view your videos, what you've taken, or you can view what you're recording at the time as well. So that's really good. And finally on the other side, again it tells you that it will take pictures at 12 megapixels, videos at 4K 60 frames per second, and it will do 1080p at 240 frames per second. So that means that it will really do good slow motion videos. So it's waterproof up to 10 meters, it's voice controlled, it's got a touch screen, it's slow motion 8 times slower, it's got GPS, and it does pictures in HDR, which is high dynamic range, and it has a super photo as well, which automatically uses advanced image processing to give you the most brilliant photos possible in any lighting condition. So I'm looking forward to testing that out as well. So it's got HyperSmooth Gimbal-like stabilization, finally live streaming, so you can stream straight to Facebook. Not forgetting that you've got portrait mode as well, so you can take pictures and videos for Instagram or any other social media. And it's got time warp videos, which is like a time-lapse video with stabilization. So right guys, let's open the box up and have a closer look at it. So you just rip it open from the bottom. So right, let's get this bad boy out. That was a bit stiff. So right guys, this is what it looks like, the first look at it, and it is actually black. So it's got the GoPro Hero 7 written on the side, so that's new. So we'll take it off this. So what we'll do is, it says here to remove this pin as well afterwards. They just put that in so that it keeps it safe while it's shipping. So you lift this rubber up, push these two clips together and slide it forward, and that'll take it off the box. So this is what it looks like in the frame. So right, what we'll do is we'll get it out of the frame so we can have a closer look at it. So to open it, you just lift this clip up and unhook it like that, slide this back down, and push the camera out evenly. They've made the frame really tight so that when you do use it as an action camera, you don't have any vibrations or any noises coming through because of the case, because it can rattle within the case if it's loose and start making noises like that on your footage. So it's good really that they do it that tight so you don't get any interference noises. So this is what it looks like. It's got GoPro Hero 7 here as well on the side. Feels like a completely different material, but it's exactly the same size as my GoPro Hero 6 and it's the same as the GoPro Hero 5. So that means it'll be compatible with all the accessories for the GoPro Hero 5 and 6. So right, so on the top of it we've got the shutter button here. Next to that we've got a microphone, if you can see that. On the other side we've got another microphone there, and then we've got a mode button here, so that flicks it from different modes like time-lapse, video, pictures, and it doubles up as an on and off button as well. So underneath here we've got a speaker here and a status light that lets you know when it's recording or when it's charging. And here we've got a door, but you just press the clip, slide it forward and open it. Inside here the battery goes inside here, and if you see this slot here, this is where the micro SD card goes in. To close it you just push it down, slide it across until it clicks into place. On the other side we've got another door here, and you can take this door off, and it's the same procedure. You press the clip, slide it down and lift it up to open it. To take the door off you simply all you do is just pull it off like that. So here in the side we've got a micro USB-C port, what you use for charging. Next to that we've got a micro HDMI port, so that you can use to connect to a monitor, so you can view what you're recording or what you've already recorded, or view your pictures. Next to that we've got another microphone here. So altogether we've got 3 microphones. So right, I'll quickly put the door back on. So this is the back of it. I'll just take this off. So this is what the back of it looks like. It's a touch screen and you've got a status light there as well. So that's, again, tells you when you're recording or when you're charging your battery up. So on the front of it we've got a lens, and we've got a status screen, and you've got a third status light here as well. Again, same principle, to let you know when you're recording or when you're charging your battery. So right guys, that's the camera itself. We'll open the box up and see what else we get inside the box. So we've got quick instructions for some GoPro for the camera, like a little diagram. Got some GoPro stickers. We've got some instructions with it as well. And if we open the box up, we've got a battery, which is exactly the same as my GoPro Hero 6 battery, and this is what my GoPro Hero 6 battery looks like. So they're all compatible, same with the GoPro Hero 5. So that's good. So that means I can use my original GoPro charger as well to charge them batteries. So that's really awesome. So we've got a data transfer and charging lead, which is a USB-C. And finally you get And finally you get two GoPro mounts. So one's a curved mount, if you can see that. So you use these on helmets and curved objects, and you've got a flat one as well. And they've both got 3M sticky pads underneath. So right guys, that's all you get in the box, and that's the GoPro HERO7 Black. So right guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.